Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to unpair this Bluetooth speaker to your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to unpair it, so guys you can unpair. In this video guys, I will show you how to unpair this Bluetooth speaker in your Vivo phone. So guys, now let's see how to unpair. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on Bluetooth and device setting. Guys click on Bluetooth and guys you can see guys we have paired this JBL Go Bluetooth speaker, and guys you can see setting option, click here. Guys click on forget and okay. So as you can unpair your Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.